Okay. The Technoweld Hothead 2.0 is the unit we are unboxing today. The helmet ventilation and cooling system. So inside this container, which is handy, very handy to keep it if you're traveling or, you need to store it. So the pamphlet that comes in this kit has a plethora of information for you. Talks about what it's used for, what it's not used for. You do not depend on this as a PAPR system. It will not remove hazardous conditions from your environment. What it will do is provide comfortable, natural environment inside a helmet, and you can adjust the position and angle of the air outlet. It can block the fumes from damming up underneath of your helmet so that it can provide fresh air from the backside. So what we have here is an adjustable clamp so that you unscrew it, slide it on. It's pretty basic. I mean, it's common sense. Yeah. So maybe, if you don't have a lot of experience, it might be a little difficult, but not really. So it comes with a charging connector, your outlet for the wall. It is a standard C-port connector, so it's super simple. I'll probably try to use my iPhone and see how my iPhone C-port connector to see how that works, because everybody has C-port connectors because they regulated everybody have C-port connectors on everything. So this thing is super basic, USB on one end, C-port connector on the other, and it's going to be plugged in here. We'll give it a plug. It's got a dust cover over your port to prevent any debris from getting inside. Super, super handy. The on-off switch is on top of it. It's that little black knob, and it shows that the technology on this thing, this battery should last you on high about 3 hours. If you put it on a lower setting, it should last you about 7 hours worth of use. In these hot summers, and some of you guys are in a hotter temperature zone anyway, so you're going to need it more. So as you can see, that's how you know it's charging. It's got a red light. It does come with some of a charge, but you really want to fully charge it. So that was your filtration there with those 3 black squares. That is how you regulate your airflow. You can damper it or you can open it wide up. So, but the knob on top will regulate the speed as well. So you want to keep it down low if you want it longer. I can't have air blowing directly into my eyeballs or they just dry out like the Sahara Desert. So once you figure that part out, get it fully charged, you're going to take that and you're going to open it up, and I'm going to put that on my Pano V2 so you can see how it fits on there. And get that sucker clamped down. It's got a little lock on it too. That little divot in the middle of it keeps it from sliding off. I'm going to give it a good jarring, and you'll see it doesn't just fall off real easy. It's not going to slide loose. If you throw your hood up or you set it down, it's going to stay on there. I can feel that airflow with my hand inside of that pretty well. But like I said, some people need more than others depending on your environment. It will provide you with some absolute amazing comfort and coolness, especially when you're super sweaty, especially for those who don't wear welding hoods or hats, because hats will absorb sweat. Now, here's the exact weight of this item, 5.70 ounces. So watch how it blows this piece of plastic that I took off of the battery charger. It's got a nice little breeze to it. See? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yep. You can dust your bench off too while you're at it. There you go.